Right, we're in room 9034Z, which is the aft of the ship on the starboard side. And Mike's going to open the door here with his band. I love these. Go into your room. And first come in, you have a nice, decent sized closet. You got some storage up here for luggage. Little like shoe storage areas and baskets to put things in. Hangers. If you wanted to, I guess maybe get something pressed or whatever. You could use that. And then right here, life jackets on top. And then some more storage. Small safe to put some items in. It has like the hair dryer and some really shallow drawers. Really can't put a whole lot of clothes in those top two. Those are a little bit bigger. But again, storage down there. Nice full-length mirror. Check yourself out when you're getting ready for Scarlet Night. You also have a full-length mirror on this side as well. And coming back over here, the room area. So this bed can convert into a couch. Probably have the room attendant do it later on so we can see what that looks like. So you got some hooks up here, which is nice. Beside the bed, you have an outlet and 2 USB chargers and your light switches, like these little tables that move around. And TV over here. Got a little bedside table that you can move. When the bed is turned into a couch, it does flip over to that part, so it's kind of like an L-shaped couch. Looks like you got reading lights above the bed also. Fun little chair over here, very modern design. And then over here, you got that little desk area with some water that I believe they refill on the daily for you. Some fun little things there. Phone.
What is this device?
Fun little phone there. Tablet that I guess controls the room a lot, but we have to watch our safety video first before I think we can do much with that. And cool mirror. And then out here, got the balcony area. And you can see in the corner over here, our little hammock. They're all tied up right now, probably because it was raining and a little windy earlier, but we will get that down later. And I know a lot of people like to see what the fridges look like and to see if they're actually cold. There is some ice crystals inside of there, so it is definitely cold enough. I know they do have some like takeaway like bento boxes that you can get for snacks and stuff and bring back to your room, but if you needed it for medications or anything, you could do that for sure. And a little bit extra storage over there. Looks like get 2 USB ports under here as well and a European outlet, so if you bring a converter, you could use that. Probably the hairdryer plugs into it. I will have to check and see as well. You can use this right here to open up the blinds.
Let's do curtain reveal.
And you can also do all that from your tablet, from the comfort of your bed.
Oh.
So once we watch our safety video on there, we'll be able to do that. Very cool. And then in our room, just the standard bathroom. Really small, but you know, that's how it goes on cruise ships. Not a whole lot of counter space. Looks like a little bit of storage space down here. Nice good sized sink. Shower looks like a decent size though, which is awesome. And the rainfall shower, which I know Mike will absolutely love. You do have the handheld as well. Well, there's hooks in there, so that's perfect since I always travel with a loofah. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a nice place to spend the next 6 nights. Can't wait to share more. While we are away today on our sea day, we requested that our cabin steward change the bed configuration over to the sofa. And I like this a lot because it does give you a little bit more space in an otherwise pretty small room. It's basically just still the same beds. They take the sheets and everything off of it. And then at night you can request to have it put back, or you can leave it as a bed the entire time on your cruise. It just really depends on what you like. But this is kind of nice. Makes it feel a little bit more spacious, and you can still lay down and take a nap on these easily, especially on a sea day, which we may do. Alright, now we're going to check out the famous hammocks.
We're getting this thing.
Just don't fall out. Luckily these are easier than like the lay down kind. It's more of a sit hammock.
We got it.
It looks really comfy. I think you could pull even more and like get your legs like out of there and
Oh.
yeah, see, it's all about finding the right right position.
Holy moly. See how this works.
It's like a little cocoon for your body. Oh yeah, there you go. Perfection. You can find him here the next 6 days.
Yep.
He's not, just bring me ice cream And coffee.
So we hit a big wave and I'll be like...
Very cool. We are on deck 9, which is right above the lifeboats, so you don't really get a great view of the water from here. I would definitely say book a room higher up and maybe towards the mid of the ship for the best views, it looks like. And then you got a walking track down here, and a couple more balconies behind us, and then some of the fun areas that we will check out later.